one uses the pillows.
It's like they have cooties or something. No one wants to touch them.
Arnþór, thank you for joining my artisans. And thank you for demonstrating your pumpernickel. This man does such incredible work. I'm not sure if he's a weaving woodworker or a woodworking weaver, but he almost speaks another language when he starts talking about his art. It's incredible, and we are so impressed. We are very, very pleased to have you on our artisans group. However, we are inclined to take back that pouch. You would do the honor of joining our Laurel Council.
We can do it now.
We can do it now.
Come forward. I would ask that we have room for the populace to bear witness as well. Is there someone that you have that you would like to speak on your behalf? Speak contemporaneously?
May I speak as a knight?
Yes.
I've known this man since he joined the SCA. He came from another group. He has inspired me to dress myself better within the society because he outshined most of us on his very first event. He is open to teach, he's open to show, and to watch him talk about his art is as watching a fighter talk about fighting. This man is exemplary. He is everything the society should be, and I am proud to see this happen today. He is truly my peer.
Is there anyone else that would speak on his behalf?
I speak as myself. As a member of the populace, as a royal peer, you have a Laurel who will speak for you as a Laurel. But what I want to speak to is Arnþór's generosity. I have never seen someone so generous with their time, with their giving of their art to the kingdom, to the populace. Your sharing of your art is why you are my peer.
So,
Yep.
Arnþór, you have a relationship that you now must relinquish before we go any further. Can you go ahead and have the discussion with your peer, please?
Who's that?
Well, you undid it.
I suppose I have.
I didn't give you a belt, but I did give you a token. I'm not going to make you strip it off, but this is mine. This is yours. May there be no more bonds between us than friendship, but I am so proud of you. You have been so driven. There's been no rabbit hole you haven't dove down and not mastered. I am so proud of you.
Thank you. It has been an honor to be your apprentice.
And you have one more obligation.
Indeed. I believe you'll be needing.
He does keep that hat.
It's a nice hat. It's a nice hat.
It is a nice hat.
Did you sign the pouch?
I haven't exactly had the time. I remember this.
Thank you. Bittersweet, but
It was nice to see it whiz by.
It's got to be a record of some sort. Will you now give us your word that you will comport yourself as befits a member, a peer of our realm, and that you, as you most surely have until now, and you will be example to our people?
There is no answer but yes.
will you further promise to treat with courtesy everyone of any station and to uphold the laws and traditions of our kingdom?
There is no answer but yes.
You have the opportunity now to swear fealty if you so wish. Would you choose to do so.
I do wish to swear fealty.
To your liege and before your peers, swear your oath.
Here do I swear by mouth and hand, fealty and service, to the crown and kingdom of the West, to speak and to be silent, to come and to go,
To strike and to spare,
to strike and to spare,
to do and to let be,
to do and to let be,
in such matters as concern the kingdom,
in such matters as concern the kingdom,
on my honor,
on my honor,
and the lawful command of the crown,
and the lawful command of the crown,
in need or in plenty,
in need or in plenty,
in peace or in war,
in peace or in war,
in living or in dying,
in living or in dying,
from this hour henceforth,
from this hour henceforth,
until the king depart from his throne,
until the king depart from his throne,
or death take me,
or death take me,
or the world
or
ends.
the world ends.
So
So say I, Arnþór Hestťfði.
This do we hear, nor fail to remember. And we, for our part, do swear fealty to you and the noble order to which you belong, to protect and defend you with all of our power, until we depart from our throne, death take us, or the world end. So swear we, Fabian, King of the West.
So also swear we, Eliska, Queen of the West.
Is there a token?
Yes, there is.
Does this token have a history?
A brief one. This was made by Master Helgi and given to me, and now it is yours.
Oh, you lucky bastard.
If it's not awkward, it's not fun.
Do you have a name with which you would like to be? We ask this a lot usually. Do you have a name with which you'd like to be Laurel?
It's just, yeah, Arnþór
Arnþór.
Hestťfði.
Okay. It just occurred to me, we usually ask the knights if they choose, and they get to pick. So, let Arnþór be robed as befits his estate.
Do we have a
That's the one that we
This is in process.
No. That's,
That was at my house.
At your house.
In progress still.
That was not on me.
Okay.
Okay, so, arise.
Arise, Arnþór, and be greeted by your peers.
Us first.
Yes.
For Master Arnþór, newest member of the Order of the Laurel. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.